Here's the 1970s Torcan 10-inch box fan, model 1163, that I got last week. This fan's in mint condition. It came with its original box and its paperwork, which we'll take a look at now. Alright, so here's the box. This fan, including the motor, was made here in Canada, except for the switch. The switch is made in the US. It's a tower switch, so that explains it. Here's the back, the French side. Here is the warranty card. This fan came with a 1-year warranty, which obviously is no longer valid because the company doesn't even exist anymore. Here's the back, the French side. It also came with this advertisement showing some other Torcan products. Pause the video if you want to read in detail. The French side. And here's the fan itself. It's been fully cleaned, the cabinet's been polished, and the motor's been oiled. And now it looks and runs like new. It has 4 blades and a C-frame motor. Has a brown cabinet, original handle, and 3 speeds. This does have a hole for the stand. It'd be really cool if I could find a stand for it. That would be sweet. Here's the back. Alright, so let's go ahead and start with low. This fan has a really quiet, slow, low speed. It doesn't move a whole lot of air on low, but what do you expect? It's a breeze box fan according to the box. It's not like it's going to create a hurricane or anything like that. Here's medium. Now it's moving some air. This is the speed I would be using it on. It's perfect. And finally, here is high. It's not crazy powerful and it's quite noisy, but still a pretty cool fan. And there's off. The spin down time is much improved since I oiled it. So that's going to wrap up this video of my 1970s Torcan 1163. Hope you enjoyed, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.